Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make butter for kids, full guide. Put 1 cup heavy cream in a jar, seal it, and shake or use a mixer until solids clump. When solids and buttermilk separate, strain with a sieve and press gently to remove excess liquid. Rinse the butter under cold water, knead gently, and add a pinch of salt if you like. Serve soft butter on toast or crackers for little hands. In this video, I will show how to make butter for kids, full guide. Gather a clean jar or mixer, a sieve, a spatula, and a bowl for buttermilk. Let children help measure and pour cream, but supervise shaking or machine use closely. Explain basic hygiene like washing hands and avoiding hot appliances. Keep the workspace tidy and use a damp cloth to catch spills, turning butter making into a safe. In this video, I will show how to make butter for kids, full guide. After rinsing and kneading the butter, taste and add a pinch of salt or a small drizzle of honey for sweetness kids love. Shape the butter into small pats or press into a mold for fun servings. Label and date the container, store it in the fridge for everyday use, or freeze portions for quick snacks that stay fresh and handy.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.